Hey folks, FYI I. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the OV-10 Bronco. Alright, right, left, up, down, right, left. We'll go down here, get her turned around. Alright. Take off flaps, and here we go.
Flaps up, gear up.
All right. I'll turn back towards us. Bring her by nice and
Time remaining
low.
minutes.
About 3/4 throttle there.
Gear down, landing flaps.
All right, get a good look at that belly light there. Bring her in for a landing. And boy, she will just float and float and float. Alright, we'll go out here.
Flaps up.
We're going to do some grass ops. This is one amazing airplane. Absolutely amazing.
Takeoff flaps.
Put in my takeoff flaps. Alright. And here we go.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear up, flaps up.
Boy, she cruises along so nice. Cut back in this direction here. I'll put the gear down.
Landing flaps.
All right. And then turn her back towards me. All right. Get her land actually on the runway. Imagine that.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, maybe not. Oh, I can't leave it like that. That was terrible.
Flaps up.
Can't leave it like that. Alright.
Takeoff flaps.
Try that again.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
There we go.
Flaps up.
Alright, we're actually going to take off this way now. No flaps.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay. Get her turned around here.
Landing flaps.
Coming out of the power now, down to about quarter throttle. Maybe half just to maintain. There we go. Alright. We still got 38 seconds. Let's get it turned around here. So I'm running twin 4500s. So I'm going to have plenty of juice. Alright, here we go.
Flaps up.
Alright.
Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Here, level.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Lined up for the runway. Maintaining my throttle, keeping my wings level. There we go. That's beautiful.
Flaps up.
All right. Just to show you what kind of battery life we have. Well, I got two of them, so I got to check them both. Throttle or motor off, because you don't want to get your finger lopped off. Nice latch there, mechanical latch. There's the first. The plane has, like I say, twin motors, takes two batteries, two good sized 4 cells. I'm running Sokokin 4500 4 cells. And this one has 59% left. I'm going to predict pretty much the same in this one. 63, so they're not too far off from each other. Well, anyways, there you go. That is the Flightline OV-10 Bronco. Comes to you from Motion RC, and this is Fat Guy Flies RC saying thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then great warbirds. Bye, y'all.